Hi there, it's Drew and Mike from Mineral Masters Corporation doing a demonstration video on the reduction and precipitation of chrome from hard chrome producers' wastewater. We have developed this process and can do it in plant for you, where we basically add a reagent or a conversion chemistry that converts hexavalent chrome to trivalent chrome, and then we use conventional hydroxide precipitation to remove that chrome altogether. We also use a synthetic polymer that allows us to concentrate and do a solid liquid separation, where we can make the chrome into a compact, saleable dry product that can be used for alloying in the metals industry. What we start with is conventional chromate with its telltale bright yellow color and stain. This particular wastewater from a hard chrome producer in the Chicagoland area assays at about 2% chromate or hexavalent chrome. What we do is we add our conversion chemistry to the wastewater, stir it, and we do it over a course of an hour or two to a nice slow reaction speed, so that we can minimize the actual amount of chemistry being used and get a complete reduction of hexavalent to trivalent chrome. Well, we've done some of that here on the lab basis for you. It is completely reduced based on ORP, and what we're going to do is take a sample of this material, decant it out here, and then we're going to adjust the pH to about our target pH of 8.2. We're using a dilute solution of sodium hydroxide, and we use a dilute solution so we can sneak up on the pH and hopefully not overshoot it. It's the disadvantage of a live video here. We're kind of trying to hit it on the fly. So Mike's going to take the pH, pH of about 6.2 right now. We'll see if we can get it up to 8.2 without overshooting it. So almost 7. That's where it gets a little tricky. Going to add it slowly, a little at a time. Like I mentioned before, we're converting trivalent chrome now to chromium hydroxide, which of course is insoluble at a pH of 8.2. Oops, I hope I didn't just overshoot that. Mike, can you lift that up a little bit there? Thank you. That's good. Just keep the tip. Okay. We're sneaking up on it. 7.9, 8.03. Let's see if I can get one more drop, 1 or 2 drops. Well, so much for 1 or 2 or 3 drops. And we're going to overshoot it now. So, here we go. I think we're going to actually try this at 8.36. That shouldn't hurt at all. The pH will be fine. Okay, Mike, pull that out of there. And now what we'll want to do is we're going to try to do a little solid liquid separation with a synthetic acrylic acid copolymer. So we'll see if we can get this to flock at this pH. Starting to look pretty good. So it flocks up. I don't know if you can see the pin flocks in there, Mike. Once again, this flocking is a very dilute solution as well, as we try to sneak up on and just get the right amount of flocculation in there. And we have nice big flocks, which you can see from this through the side. This is going to allow us to get some really good. We're going to overflock this right now, just because we're trying to get the big flock so we can get some a good water sample off of it fairly quickly. Normally we wouldn't flock it this much in the plant. All right, we're going to let it settle for a second. While it's settling, we're going to I'm going to set up the test kit for chromate. speed this along on the demonstration, once again what we're going to do is I'm going to set up a Buchner funnel and a beaker here. Just try to pour out and pour off some of the water. You'll see it's beautiful crystal clarity. Hopefully this comes out well on the video and you can see this. So we've gone from a standard chromate shop sludge and wastewater. We've reduced all the chromate to trivalent chrome, so we have none of the yellow telltale color. And what we're going to use now is a chromate snap and read test kit. 20 mLs, 4 drops of acidifier, 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick mix. And this is a Chemetrix style. It's a vacuum vial. Snaps, the end snaps off and sucks in just the precise amount of chemistry. We have a 2-minute development time on this. So in summary, what we've done is we've converted hexavalent chrome to trivalent chrome. We've raised the pH and made chromium hydroxide from it. We've used a synthetic polymer to allow us to flocculate the solids and capture the solids. We put this through a filter press. Does that help against the white background there, maybe?
Yes.
We put it through a filter press and turn that into a dry, compact cake. At which point we could we make a market for this product. So it goes from becoming a hazardous waste to a co-product for our customers. My guess is this isn't very readable here, but can you see that at all?
Yeah.
So we have, it's crystal clear. There's no detection of pink, so it reads at 0 parts per million of chromate. Hope you've enjoyed the demo. If you have any questions regarding this, please give us a call or look us up at mineralmasters.com. Thank you for your time.